Good morning, friends. I would like to invite you today to join me and see how I'm practicing in this period, what kind of training for this body-mind I'm doing right now. Let's start together. So they give us for breakfast some bread, and I just bring from my home some vegetables, and that's it. With olive oil, I practice frugality and eat something, and then I finish with cleaning the kitchen, the dining room. So as you could see, I have to clean and make things brilliant. And this is an amazing task for me because it helped me a lot to clear my mind. I'm quite happy. Yes, my bad. It's all good.